We're coming live from Minnesota with the jwsolarusa. Guys, today's project is all about the 12-volt system. And we're starting the new year with this 12-volt system built. I've been talking about it for long time. And I suppose it's over a year or something. And you guys have seen I brought a lot of stuff on the table and try to show you guys how everything, what I was gonna do towards this 12-volt built portable generator. So today, what I have done now behind the camera, behind the scene, and I already set up these batteries and strap them just like a zip ties. But these are the bigger ones. So this guy is really big and heavy, and if you can see, that's the bottom of it. And if you can see, the front here is for BMS configuration, if you want to use a BMS on this system. So if you want to build a BMS, incorporate a BMS into this system, you're more than welcome to do that by getting, I have the pins here, or the plugs. You just have to configure the way the BMS is set up. By doing so, you can able to incorporate the internal BMS that you have here, your internal board, plus the BMS that you're going to be utilized here. So each battery is a 8 volt and 2 batteries is 16 volt. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be wiring these batteries in series. Okay, so series here, negative, positive. You see the sign, I hope you can see it. Okay, right here. So this side here gives you a 12-volt battery. These two 12 and these two 12. So I can take another 12 volt from this side here. So I have negative, positive, then I have negative, positive. So I can just parallel them into a bus bar. That gives me the leverage to draw from the battery evenly. See, so this is what I've done, and you can even incorporate the temperature sensors here. You can go about tapping into this if you want to monitor them. And these batteries are like, if you use a monitoring system with your charge controller or your BMK battery monitor kit, or your battery voltage or capacity meter, battery capacity or meter, to be able to see how much power you're taking out and how much power you putting in. Okay, and these batteries are a Ford Focus batteries, and I've been talking about, you've been seeing them on my videos. I decided to pull some of them out from my system so I can build my most reliable and portable system. So by doing so, I think it's a 8.2, something like that. So it's gonna be 8.16, so 16.4, something like that, or 16.2. So I'll put the specs on the description below, and it's gonna be 16, so it's perfect for a 12-volt system, which it depends to your inverter. So if your inverter can accommodate 16 something or 17 volt, which my inverter can take about 17 volt, so I can use a 16. I have a volt buffer. I can set the parameter to charge it only in 16. instead of 16.4. So then the inverter can able to even determine automatically what it can take in and what not. So this is going to be a perfect system, and I can show you. And these batteries are even a liquid cooling system. They are built with a liquid cooling system, like a little fins, like a radiator in your car or anything that uses a radiator. So this is going to be the vent, or where you can bring the liquid. You can see a little bit here. You can see it's kind of like a orange color. So yep, and we can go back here. I can show you. This little guy is heavy, so these are the things. It has fins on the back. I can able to take them right now if I decided I have to take these entire plugs out. So if you want, I can show you, and stay tuned. Here we go. I'll show you how, for the sake of the video and for my audience, my viewers, my subscribers, I can do anything for you guys. So this is what it is. All right. See, this is how the fins look like, and look at it, just like an octopus. Yeah. Yep. So you fix these things here. You know, the octopus had some kind of suction, just like a suction cups or something like that. You know, that's I can remember describing this thing. So these are all the fins, and this is how we go about it. Live here at the JW Solar USA, guys. And we go from here, and we're gonna stick it in, and these are the fins where the liquid travels to. Little fins. So takes the cooling, the water, or the liquid, or whatever, antifreeze, and moves it into the cells, because they are embedded into the cells in between each module. As you can see, this is a cell, a cell, a cell, a cell. So if you look at it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like 5 cells here. So they're all embedded in between the cells to cool them down. But I'm not using a cooling system because I'm not going to be pulling a lot of power into this one, so I'm not going to put excessive power. That's what I meant. For other guys, probably want to pull a lot of power. But like I said, I'm going to be putting the specs on the description below, and you can see exactly what I'm talking about. These are the fins. This is where the liquid cooling system gets in. See, all the way. And we go about it, and we're gonna put it back in. And I hope you find this video interesting, and stay tuned, like and subscribe. JW Solar USA, live from Minnesota. Happy New Year 2021. So this little guy here comes in between here to hold this thing from moving back and forth, just like this guy here. You see, like a seal. The seal is behind it. Then you put this plastic, like a washer, like, to give you a proper seal, so that you can have any leakage of the fluids to the batteries. So now I already installed the piece right here. I'm just gonna go, you get a proper sealing here, and everything looks perfectly fine. We're gonna put it back in here, make sure we align it properly, and we don't have to bend these fins. Like I said, I'm not using the cooling system. I've seen someone, brother on YouTube, which is Pastor Stephen Davis from Idaho. He lives in the mountains there. So he is using on his Tesla batteries a liquid cooling system, which is really cool. And check out his videos and see, he's very talented and very blessed, and he's doing God's work. And check out his video. But now he's moving back to the mountains there, got a new property, and he had a liquid system, and he put a radiator. So it doesn't mean his batteries, I don't know if these batteries were set up like that, the Tesla, but he ended up incorporate a liquid cooling system on his batteries. So my batteries had that thing feature, and I talked about it when I got my batteries, and these batteries are already been here for a long time now. So guys, check out the videos when I set up this battery on my playlist on the Ford Focus lithium batteries by jwsolarusa. You can put it on Google, Ford Focus lithium batteries jwsolarusa. They pop up right away. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Alright guys, I already put it all together. You can see you can extend. So from the other modules, I took this one from other modules. You can see you can extend this all the way or go the other way. And the ends, they have another one that had the ends that is sealed so that it prevents the water or the liquid from coming out. So this is the extension. Keep going and you will see how everything is set up. And I'm trying to get this thing to incorporate this Ryobi box. Go back onto my playlist, like I always say, and check portable generator with a Ryobi box portable generator. So I talked about it. I made a video on it. So this is how the batteries are. I'm trying to see what I can incorporate here. I have different boxes. I have this one I already started before, and I have a battery monitor. That's the word I was struggling with earlier, like the battery gauge or the monitor. So it tells the capacity, how much power you have left or you have taken from the batteries. So this is one here. It's a big PVC box, and approximately about 2 foot long, and it's already have my batteries in here, which has lead acid. So I'm gonna use the bus bars right there. I ordered some. Then I have other things coming. So remember that portable Duracell inverter is a 400 watts. I made a video on it. Go into a portable generator by jwsolarusa. We can type that, or maybe you can Google that, or you can just go into my playlist. So this box has like a kind of shelf thing here, and I'm gonna see what I can do. I don't have much skills when it comes to carpentry, but I'll see what I can do and try to set up these. That's why I already bungee these things and strap them so that not for bulging or anything, but they can be in a right capacity compression, and they can move around. I'm going to be dealing with like a one single brick, and this will be awesome. And I can try. I'm thinking about putting it vertical right there. Maybe I can show you what I'm trying to do, and you see, you tell me what your thoughts are and on this project. Live from Minnesota, jwsolarusa. And guys, this is what I was talking about, and seems like those two radiator fins work on my favor and go like this. The battery's gonna be, and maybe add a wood down here and set it up this way, and put the wood right there, and that will just help putting something here that is gonna balance this thing. I'll grab something here and show you what I was talking about. Stay tuned. Okay, something like this wood, 2x4 or 2x2, whatever. So get something like this, trying to make something nicer, and set this battery is going to be like this, sitting vertical like this, and cut just the wood or whatever, screw it underneath, not to reach the battery, but trying to get these parts all occupied with other stuff, or move in the corner right there, and I can able to put other things on the corner right here and get the stability of the batteries. Tell me what you think, and just wire this in series parallel. Right now I can get this one all in series. That gives me a 24 volt if I use a 24 volt inverter. But guys, you guys already seen my 1012 Magnum 1012 G inverter I'm going to be using, the 1000 watts, and I can able to do the 24 volt inverter. Then that will give us the configuration right there. So it's going to be 66 amp hours on two of these. Going to be 66 amp hours, 68 amp hours, and 68 amp hours, so times 2. Okay, thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Like and subscribe. jwsolarusa. Tell me what you think, and we'll go from there. Once you guys output or opinion, positive opinions, and we can go right from there. Okay, thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Happy New Year.